Guys, heading over to the other Airbnb. Look at this dude, Lance, man.
Nigga, I run left me. Nigga, I run left me. I eat KFC for breakfast. What time now? But like after 12. You see me? But we soon link up, man. Mad move, man. He might start before me.
You soon know, man. Alright, guys. Just got to the second room. This thing is absolutely incredible. We had difficulty getting here because we had to change Airbnbs. The other one, absolutely disgusting. But this one right here, this is nice, guys. So take a look at this place. But we had a little issue. We had to switch rooms. So this thing is nice.
Switch the whole location.
This thing is nice. Bathroom over here. Come show them really quick, man, so we can get out of here, go get something to eat. Nice little bathroom. You see what I'm saying? Come real quick, man. You see what I'm saying? We got a nice little outside area. The room is upstairs. What's it? We got the rooms, you know what I mean? Other rooms over there. But you can't beat this, guys. You guys can see this nice little area. Wow, we got people. Who was it, man? Yeah, guys, that's how we doing it. We doing it for the vlog. Now we about to go off the beach, get something to eat. Isn't it? Alright, let's go. Let's go, man. Put them people everything in my phone. We don't need it, my yo.
No, come.
You don't see me come in that room without it.
Let's go.
I'm gonna teach the people, I'm not even know how it is.
But doesn't make sure so we can go back in and I don't know.
My, you know, some of the never got key. Yeah?
Now watch it.
So, you just can't do nothing, man. Yo, Chevy, but record more like live TV.
You feel like me I watch it?
Yo, Chevy, make sure you can block me, I can block me.
Let me I watch it.
Chevy, make sure
Feel like me I watch it?
make sure I record, because I block me, I can block me.
Sure, look, you say you have a good Uber driver.
We don't have to work it out, you know.
But a Uber driver we have to get from there. Lucky you have the second one we're good. I must hypnotize you.
No, man, you don't know.
So that's how we are work.
I'm like a real cameraman. How are you?
I'm Murray. You know what's I'm Murray? I'm Murray cameraman. No, Jerry Springer cameraman. Run now, kiddo. Run back him.
Hey, chill out, bro. What's wrong with this nigga, man?
You are not the father. Run, kiddo.
Run, go on, kiddo, run.
Because me are the father.
Wrong side, you're the father.
No, the right side.
Don't tell you already.
Oh, you mean?
Alright, guys, just getting off the beach. You see me? We about to go eat some food. Dominican Republic. What you have to say? What you have to say?
By the beach, by the beach, by the beach.
No habla español, tú hablas inglés. Tú hablas inglés. Chef, where's the first time on the beach?
First time on the beach. Find a girl on the beach. Now back to the crib, wrap her up in my sheet. You know how it is.
Buenos tardes. Gracias.
Start here.
Man, we decided to take a walk, stroll down the beach. Yes, Chevy. Where is it? There's soon no man. So don't say sometime. Oh man, that's nice shit. The experience off the beach is lit. What's your beach experience like, man?
Guys, it just started and it's going good already, you know? Just started and it's going, man.
Alright guys, so we coming up to an area right now that's like, I don't even know, it's just a whole bunch of people in the middle of the freaking beach. But look at this. Alright guys, we heading back to go get food. We hungry as heck right now, man. Alright guys, so we pretty much heading back to go get food right now. We just gonna leave the rest of the exploring until tomorrow. We're pretty much right back here, so hopefully the food has come, which it doesn't look like it has come. You need to hurry up, I'm hungry, man. I don't understand how we got here and the food is not here. I need food right now. Right now I need food, vlog. And these people keep stopping by. I don't want to buy nothing that you're selling. Look at this. I do not want to buy it. Don't want. No gracias. No gracias. Alright guys, the food just got here. Look at this, guys. Look at that.
Exchange, baby.
Nice. Alright guys, so we pretty much finishing up our food. About to head back to the Airbnb.
You know what I mean? Mad piece of fish, man. Yeah. Right now, that with the bone more left on the plate. That's what the fish body, isn't it? Fresh.
These dudes don't understand that I don't even have a Jamaican audience. So what they talking patois all the time for? For what?
For real? You ain't got no Jamaican audience? And I be here like speaking, you know what I mean? So now I gotta like speak standard English. But the fish was amazing, honestly. It's been a minute since I've had fish like this, like fresh fish from out the sea. No pond fish, you know what I mean? Like out the sea, like out the ocean, fresh out the ocean coming in. Beautiful. Plantain. Sweet. I swear.
But yeah guys, that's it. We're gonna be out here tomorrow, man. So I'm pretty much just gonna end the vlog right here. Good night, everybody. Good morning, good whatever time you're watching this vlog. And you know, always keep God first, man. Always.
Always.
Gotta live your life, man. Always. You gotta live life. God wants us to enjoy this world, but we must be bringing glory to Him in whatever we do. So once again, God bless. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button, man. And if you have any ideas on how the vlogs can improve, drop it in the comments. I appreciate that. Peace.